Madam, hold on.
Hello.
Like say they look for something. You want to buy something? I get better air freshener with this your car. I get food man. I even get wipe myself. I will even help you wash them if you want.
No, I'm not in need of any of them. I am thirsty and I'm in need of a bottle of water. Can you please get me?
Mama, that will not be matter now. Why there? Just wash me money, I might rush buy water. That's what I do basically for a living. I run errands for people.
So what do you mean that I should pay you to get me a bottle of water? So is this how you extract innocent citizens? Is this how you do?
Madam, they play now. See, as country don't do everything don't dare somehow now. You want to buy water, you don't want to buy water, man, no. Man, they find another client. That's what I do for a living, mama. Okay, it's fine. You know, say water now 2, you get small one, maybe 300. You get the big one, maybe 600. Which one you want?
Small bottle, please.
Small bottle. Mama, come now. Mama.
Oh.
Siamo.
Thank you. So wait, you let me pay you for getting a bottle of water for me across the street?
Mama, why they sound like this now? Mama, now also my day. Now this thing I survive with now. I dey run errands for people. I think wash this your car and do 1 or 2 for you now.
Really?
Mama, sharp!
Anyways, I like your hustle.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
So tell me, how much do I owe you?
Mama, the water at 300 and my movements are just 700.
Really?
Boy now.
So what's that your name again?
My name is Maurice, man.
Maurice. Okay.
Mama, sharp! See your car. Mama, where do you wash them? Mama, you don't need your freshener for the car.
So this is for the bottle of water and your service. This is for helping me.
That was a day, Mama. Mama, say I did for you. Anytime you want to see me, just call me, ask of Maurice. I go sharply in a day. Would you? Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Mama, sharp. Mama, day around. I get. Mama, fine. Mama, cat.
Wow, I can't believe I overslept for a 10 a.m. appointment. And no one deemed it fit to wake me up. I hope I don't miss this appointment.
Guy, wake up now, Baba. You still guy dey sleep. Wake up, Jerry.
Guy, you tell up. Why you wake me up now? Guy, you know say na hunger dey make me sleep. Okay, you don't wake me up now. What you want make I chop?
Ha! Guy, if they say my village people exist, and now I believe. See that bet I do yesterday now? Only one team. As now, only one team. 24 million, bros. 24 million. And what's they pay me pass? And 90 minutes they can score goal. They can score goal.
Why you talk like say Arsenal will cut your game, then cut my game.
By now, for just the flex for Lucky.
Guy,
I don't wash everything for you. I change everything, buy what you need for Baba. For don't even change apartment self.
Hi. You know what they pay me pass?
God.
The same work way other people they do now what they do. We dey come out every morning, we find all this small work we go pay us money. They do one. Still yet, we don't fit see food drop. Every day you go better. When you go better, now when we don't hold you go better.
God forbid. I don't go carry this suffer into my old age now. You see this money? I must make them. People will make money not get sweared. Now one head then get now. I must make this money.
Guy, make I ask yourself. As you don't wake me up now, waiting will make I chop.
I go, Mama, at that shop now. I collect bread and granite. What do you think?
Not true. You did credit for the father woman hand, have you?
Where now?
Hey, now this your fine boy, and I go save us for this suffer wood, this suffer here.
This bed just
come the good mama that shop.
I come.
God. Which kind of suffer when person come this life come suffer soon now?
Madam.
Hey.
Put this thing for me. Put this thing for me. I dey go.
Hello.
Come. You come. Madam. How are you?
Do you remember me?
Sure, ma. I remember you. How may I be of help to you today? Or are you still thirsty today again?
Oh no, I am not thirsty. I'm fine. And please, I don't know, can you give me 1 minute of your time?
Sure. Just 1 minute.
Okay, that's fine.
Go. Go, Abba.
You're really a hardworking man. I really like your hustle. I was thinking if I can offer you a job.
Sure, ma. I like I told you before, I can do anything from as the pay is good.
Okay, so I was thinking if you can come and work for me in my house. It's not a big job. It's just something little like cleaning of the house, washing of my car, my laundry. Like, I don't know if that's okay by you.
Ma, I'm very, very interested. In fact, I have degree in washing cars, cleaning, everything, and the work. I can do very well.
Are you sure?
See, ma, I can work. Oh, I have energy. Like, I can clean the house, wash the room, clean everywhere for you. SDP is good, ma.
Okay, that's fine. So, you can come with me.
Like now?
Like right now.
Ma, thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Just like 2 minutes, maybe I just arrange myself well.
That's fine. I'll be waiting.
Come on, oh yeah.
You can
Imagine.
Come in.
What's that awful smell? Did a cow die here or something?
Sis, don't tell me that this guy has not taken his bath for the last 2 months. I mean, he stinks. He looks like one who was picked from under the bridge or something.
You guys just stop! Stop this! What's wrong with you guys? Gosh! Anyways, this is Maurice. Maurice, these are my sister, Yvonne and Cassia. Maurice will be living with us henceforth. Oh! She will be tending to the needs of this house.
What?
Yes.
Sis, are you sure we can live in this house? Because this guy looks like... He looks like one of those thieves under the bridge.
Oh, he stinks!
I don't think I can stay here.
Wait for me! Oh. This is too much.
Please don't mind him, okay? Please come with me. Let me show you around the house. I'm so sorry.
Ken, I've never been humiliated in my life like this before. More, if not because I need that job, I will never step my foot in the house again.
This is when you're sounding like this. Wait. You mad like that?
It's more than that. Those girls are the agents for the pit of hell. They are devils. What am I even saying? They are even worse than devils. Oh, you see those girls, the way they take follow me talk. God, I don't see it. I don't see finish.
My own be say, for the thing to pay you rich like this, will make you speak all this BB grammar give me so. You know, come on, better say you no work for there again.
Mo, I don't go work for them now. The thing they pay me, but I don't go work for them. We need money to survive now, bro. We need as many works or many jobs we have just to survive.
Sorry. I understand though. I understand. No go lie, even myself I reason now. Because myself, we need money.
What I go do, I will just avoid them. I'll just go there, do my work, give them their space. But what did they do pain me, bro?
Chai.
If you follow me, they talk like
money they insult man. No.
Ah.
The money they insult man. Chai.
Wait, go chop now.
No, I don't tire.
Oh, chai. Poverty. Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Maurice. Can you just stop calling me madam? You can call me Nelly. It's fine by me.
All right. Good morning, Nelly.
Good morning. So tell me, what are you cooking?
Oh, this is my special fried rice.
Oh.
If you taste my fried rice, your life will never remain the same. And I was also told I have one of the best fried rice in Africa.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I can't wait to eat this your world best fried rice. By the way, Maurice, how are you settling in?
Oh,
Hope you're okay.
yeah, everything is fine. And I want to say thank you so much for letting me work for you.
You're welcome.
And I promise you I won't take it for granted.
Oh, you're welcome. You know what? I'll go into the living room. In case you need anything, let me know.
Okay, madam. Sorry. Okay, Nelly.
It's fine. Thank you.
Stupid! How dare you? Huh? Do you know how much your skincare is cost? Even if they put your entire family together, it can never be enough to buy them.
I'm sorry.
Kasia, can you just calm down? He didn't do it intentionally.
Oh, please! He was too careless and clumsy. And you have the guts to be staring at me? Huh? Now go on your knees and lick them off.
What?
Didn't you hear what she said? She said go on your knees. Even if you're useless, don't tell me that you're stupid as well.
Yvonne, can you just stop this? He didn't mean to do it. Stop.
Go on your knees and lick it. He's just too careless.
Go on your knees. Did you hear her?
Get out of my sight before I do something stupid. Sorry for yourself.
Drop our juice before you enter inside there and finish it.
Really?
Stupid.
Nelly, you would have allowed her to deal with him.
Yeah.
What nonsense.
She's always supporting him and I don't like it.
Why?
So what am I going to do now? How am I going to... Can you just get me serviette or something?
Maurice! Oh yeah, take. Wash them. Wash my clothes. Let them be sparkling clean. Iron them. Make sure that very clean. Don't make myself clear.
Contrary in what you may believe, I'm not daft. If you want me to wash your clothes, you ask me nicely now.
Who is this one? Are you mad? No. Are you high on cheap drugs? Oh, you expect me to plead with you to wash my clothes? As what? Are you here on a vacation or something?
I never said that.
So what are you trying to say? Have you forgotten your position in this house? Have you forgotten that you're nothing but a lowlife, a useless servant, a commoner? Listen up. However I choose to treat you, it's my business. Silly thing.
I may be a servant like you said, but I'm still a human. At least, if you treat me right, nothing will happen to you.
Wait, oh, are you trying to educate me? Is something wrong with you? Have you forgotten your position? Like, is something wrong with you? Oga, if you know you don't want this job again, bounce! Leave my house! Pack your things and get out! No life. You better wash this clothes well. Stupid thing.
Cassia, you need to stop drinking yourself to stupor. Just take a look at yourself. Do you think Mom and Dad will be proud of how you've turned out to be? Come on.
The good thing is that Mom and Dad are not here to witness anything. So please, Nene, just leave me alone to live my life however I want it.
No. No, Cassia. You have to stop doing this to yourself. You know what? One of these days I'll take you to a rehab. Yes.
You help yourself first. You need help. Help yourself first. Why are you just jealous of me? Jealous of how I go out to have fun? Please, 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 just let me be.
Cassia, I don't need to get drunk to have fun. Do I? Oh, please.
Please, I beg, just let me be.
Oh, just shut up your mouth.
Please.
Let's go inside.
Leave me alone.
Let's go. Let me help you.
Leave me.
You see?
Guy, I took the verse. The thing they pay me. No, if you see those girls, the way they follow me talk today, I've never felt so small like this before. Oh, if these girls don't see me finish.
God.
God.
What will be the problem again? Nothing happen. Everything that they call for this your workplace. Nothing happen.
Now today I realize say poverty is a bad thing. Now today.
Never see anything.
Yeah, if I get money, those guys go follow me to talk like that. It's not possible now. See the one girl they call Cassia or what do they call her? And they asked me, old Maurice, to lick juice for her leg. Lick.
Lie.
Oh God, I don't see my own.
Seriously?
I don't be all that too. The other girl, Viviana or what do they call? I don't know their names. Then they tell me say, just because I follow and they talk say, well, listen, I don't dey chop food. Listen, I don't finish the food. Just because I the reason the girl say, I beg, they calm down. If you want me, I do something for you. You understand? Talk to me gently. They use names, they insult me.
Wait. Because say you tell her, she talk to you politely. Then she dey insult you. Senior man like you. Fair, fine, Oyibo people like you. Hi! Those guys don't get luck. See, in fact, look, I tell you something. If you go there, I tell them say they get luck. I say they get luck. Because if not me, I go just they go just na man and they touch them. I think they play. Which one be woman they insult you say wait because I dey work for you?
Money they cause am now.
I don't blame her.
Because I don't get money now. But you see this money, I go make am.
I see. That one future present tense. You go make am. But this one the present wey we dey. Come follow me chop noodles. I know say the vex, but they say angry man is an hungry man. I be a hungry man. I don't know how they take up that thing again.
Just give me
Come follow me chop indomie.
The thing they vex me honestly.
Yeah, calm down. And I mean they give you indomie, they collect indomie from my hand like saying that you get that.
No, I the vex as I dey. I dey hungry.
Keep your hand first. Make I give you indomie. I me go give you indomie. I can't chop indomie.
Jesus Christ! Hey, you supposed to wake me up now. And why you shout like this? See, 7 minutes call. I tell you, Sinami go drop Yvonne for work today.
Wait, hello? You go drop Yvonne. Wait, what's that here, sef? Guy, which kind of work did you do? You did drop Yvonne, that means you be driver. Only you driver. Only you cleaner. Only you cook for inside one house.
That's why I'm an angry man. I didn't do any work now, but this now just to hustle to find money. See, 7 minutes call for my phone, and I told you to wake me up.
Listen, 3 things.
Hello? Oh God. I beg, make her come out. May I not lose my work now. Those are the only work we put food for our table now. You will not even get table for our bed.
Okay, no. If you want to insult me, you come out straight, insult me now. As person, only you get work now, why you want to insult me? No, wahala. She say, oh, handyman, now you be. Manage your handyman. Enjoy your handyman. Me, I will soon find work. I just find the right work who will just align with my spirit. You know, now me, I don't want all this. Why can't they do now? All those guys want they insult me. They want the paragraph for where I did. I don't want all this kind. You see me, I get steals now. I'll be fine with all the money I don't get to. Otherwise, come on.
Yes,
come on.
You
don't reach. You know why?
After they procrastinate, no go find work too. They procrastinate. They mad they go.
I blame you.
Hello?
Because me and you they for one bed make you come out and tell me say the procrastinate. See, guy, no wake me up from sleep again. I beg.
Good morning. Sorry, I was stuck in traffic.
That's not an excuse for keeping me waiting. I specifically told you that I don't need to be stressed out this period. Seeing that I have a ton of work to do at the office, that was why I asked you to come very early.
What happened again, ma'am? Sorry.
Sorry for your useless self. I'll get back to this later. What are you still waiting for?
Sorry.
Hey, come back here. Come and pick my bag. Hey, hold it.
Who is that idiot when you need him? Maurice! Maurice! Oh goodness.
Maurice drove Yvonne to the office.
What do you mean drove Yvonne to the office? So who is going to make breakfast for me?
Cassie, I don't understand what you're saying. You can go whip yourself something. You can do egg and bread till he comes back.
Are you kidding me? No, you don't expect me to cook in that kitchen, do you?
Then order something and stop whining. Gosh.
It's fine.
Hey, Maurice.
Hello, Nelly.
How are you?
Fine.
You know, sometimes I think you take your job too serious. I mean, you need to rest. No one will query you for resting. Okay?
There is so much to do. I can't think of resting. And do you want me to do anything for you?
Oh no, I am fine. I'm totally fine. I just wanted to know if you need anything, like juice, water. Do you need anything I can get you?
You are such a nice person. But to be honest, I'm really good.
That's okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
So you just continue with your work, I'll be inside.
Thank you, Nelly.
Okay, bye.
Maurice! 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 Maurice!
Sorry. I see you called.
Didn't you hear me? Or do I have to scream down this building before you answer?
Sorry, I was trying to...
Oh, sorry for yourself.
I'm just trying to tidy up the kitchen.
Here, wash them.
I'm sorry, this is your brand pant.
And so, do as you've been asked to.
Ca-
Do you expect me to wear a round back to the party?
I'm sorry, Cassie. I can't wash your brand pant. It's just unethical and my morals won't allow me.
To hell with you and your morals. Do as you've been asked to. Don't try my patience.
Cassie, I'm sorry. I'm not going to wash your pants and bra.
I say you want to lose your job, you good for nothing fellow. If you don't wash this, then you will tell me who the boss is here. Let me not come back and meet this here.
Bro, not the way my eyes not see for this life. Not the way my eyes never see for this life, bro. Imagine me, Maurice, they wash woman bra and pant. Reason am now.
Bra. Pants.
I don't see my own.
Guy, wait first. I don't understand this kind of work where the work self. Every day when you come out, go work, come back. Now, so complain, they complain. If you don't complain this one today, you go complain short. You don't do. You don't do. Like this now, you need to go to work again. You don't quit the job. Just day this house as we take day before. We could just go back to our normal, usual street life we live. Our show 2 or 3 or 4 or put our money, collect 4K, 5K, 10K. It's better than all these everyday insults, humiliation every day. I don't tire.
Bro, this street also not rich now. You suppose not so very soon, landlord will ask us for house rent. And where you that now this money where they take get at the pay house rent now?
No be lie you talk, sha. No be lie. You just say me and they feel for you. I don't tire for all this your everyday complaint, no. If I'm better saying even they go to work. I get you take shit too. If not me, I don't come for that girl. I don't come. If she don't find her eyeballs by this time, she will not be me. She deal with that man. And I go just come out. Which kind of everyday complain? What did happen?
You don't see her now. If say this country good, we think graduate like me could they do better work for those guys. Busy them now. But I know say one day, I go make money. This money I go make them.
No.
All these insults could just finish.
No. Because he even be say, now you dey take rubbish, you bless you don't know say he gets teased. Be fine boy now. Yeah, I go don't blind down by now. She go look for her eyes. Which kind of insult? Even you come back and you come back and come back and complain. What thing dey happen?
You think don't tire me? You think man go do? Good morning, Ellie. Good morning.
Good morning. I got this for you.
Today is not my birthday.
Maurice, I know today is not your birthday, okay? But I see the hard work you're doing here, and I just thought of rewarding you.
I'm just doing the work I'm paid for. Nothing more.
Maurice, honestly, you are a lifesaver. I mean, you're just more like a knight in a shining armor.
Your sister won't agree with your thoughts if they always remind me of how stupid and foolish I am.
Oh no, Maurice, I beg of you, stop paying mind to my sisters. They're just being the mean girls that they are. I see your hard work and I appreciate you so much.
This means so much to me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I want to say I appreciate you for all you have been doing for me. And I promise you, I will not take this for granted.
That's fine.
Thank
so
you.
you just continue your work. I'll be inside.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Maurice! Maurice!
Sorry, welcome.
Come and take off my shoes so that you massage my leg. My feet are killing me.
I should take off your shoes and massage your feet.
Am I carrying water in my mouth? Are your ears paining you?
Not at all.
Now do exactly what you heard. Okay, come and leave that place. Are you okay? Come and sit on the floor. Look at this boy, yo. I said sit on the floor. Who are you bouncing for? Remove the second one. Ouch. Gosh. Come, don't pinch me. Oh. Don't pinch me. If you pinch me, I will knock your head. Oh, this is so good. Continue now. Oh gosh, this is so good. Listen. Finish one. Finish one and enter another one.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself. This is so good.
Oh, thank you. Madam. Madam, our agreement na 8,000 and 7,000 give me money no complete.
I give you 7,000 naira, you not happy? For inside this your 2K wey you carry wey no get AC. It be like you don't know how much I take maintain my skin.
Madam, I beg. No carry that one come on. Give my complete balance now come on for here. I beg. You know how much they buy for it?
Wait till come consign me.
I say now you just find trouble up and down.
Now your full generation, they always find trouble. You dey mad.
Madam.
Oh, because you see fine girl, we dress, we package. You feel like saying, don't worry. I will
On
show
top
you.
money
Don't
when you
worry,
don't
I
get
will
to
show
pay
you
balance.
grace. Okay.
You say they show me attitude.
I will show you attitude. You dey mad.
Madam.
You think say you dey craze, abi? Now me, you don't say my.
You know how much they buy for it?
You won't try me.
Yes, for yourself.
I will say your call for this place.
I go change that for you.
I will say your place for you.
I go change that for you. Which kind?
Please.
Which kind madness be this one?
Come on, you this place, abi? Where you want go?
Respect yourself.
Man, they go now.
Respect. I go see you again for road.
What is your problem? Did I tell you?
I was just trying to help.
Trying to help. Okay, since you did not allow me to treat that guy's fuck up, it is your fuck up. Idiot. Animal. Fool. No, come and help him. Rubbish. Think you're mad. Rubbish.
Guy, you know tell me say this girl na designer now. Eh? Which kind play be this one now?
Guy, rub this thing now. Make this thing, they pay me.
Guy, you know what they see for here? You know tell me say this girl use teeth design your body like this.
Guy, I don't know who sent me to go separate fight to. I suppose leave that guy, me scatter head, me break his head. My good no go kill me.
Now your good, now go kill you.
God.
You say that good, now that good, now go kill you because you need to hear something.
They pay me.
Wait, that case Kasia Abina, Gesha, they call him. Let's say that girl meant, they serious. So. See, human being, body way person come bite. All this rich man bikini, be like say, too much for you, they make them turn to Agbero.
Those girls, they are foolishly stupid.
I swear.
Just the exception of Nelly. She seems very nice.
Which one be Nelly again?
The other girl na Nelly.
Baba, leave all those things. Like the same clothes I wear all those girls. No be that one way say, where buy you give Gerardi.
Uh-huh.
Oh, so you feel say for her mind now, she did different. You know, so all those ones are just manipulation to use make you love her. Before you know, she don't make you abuse again.
Huh.
See, avoid that girl.
Guy, you are just mistaken now. She seems nice.
They play. No, they play. As you say, you be like say you don't fall in love already. They play. Continue. I beg. See.
I didn't deep for that.
Come see him. Just don't make come see him.
I don't feel the same now.
Oh, so you know if you say right, they calibrate me, they even they help you.
In they too bad.
Listen, we have to come up with interface that will wow the investors. From what I'm seeing here, this isn't good at all. We have less than 24 hours to deliver this. Why can't you guys give me something tangible? Why? What exactly am I paying you people for? Oh.
You know, you could have changed the font and the entire format. That could make a huge difference.
What do you know, you servant boy?
You can say that's my field. I studied computer science and I also read product management as well. Let me help. That's it.
Wow, this is amazing. How did you do this?
That is why they said, never judge the book by its cover. And you're welcome. Sorry. Nelly, welcome.
Hey, Maurice. So are you done for the day?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I was just heading home.
Oh, that's good. Here, I got something for you.
Nelly, come on. You should stop buying me expensive gifts. I'll be able to pay you back, even if I tried.
Maurice, I don't want you to pay me back. I just love buying things for you. Because you really work hard.
That's why you're paying me. I feel like...
Shh, you don't have to say anything, okay? You don't have to reject my gift. It will really make me feel bad. You're my friend. Or don't you consider me your friend?
You are my friend, and I appreciate everything you have been doing for me.
Then here you go. Have it.
I'll accept your gift.
Thank you.
Wholeheartedly. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm on my way.
Okay, so you take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Guy, you know the message I want to do for there? Guy, this thing costs so. Aye! Eh?
Surprise.
Wait, guy. If you ask me, I will tell you say this girl like you well. I swear, that Nelly girl. Now I believe say she like you. You know, see all these things are green light she dey give you like this. Wait. Eh?
You're right, son.
This is an expensive perfume.
And if you ask me, this guy is just being nice. Don't be my level, bro. No be, if you see money with these girls they get, even you fear would enter your body to follow them talk. Omo, this guy is out of my league.
Which one be say she's out of your league? I don't understand. Na Spanish league they play, I been a Premier League they play. See, guy, make I tell you something. If God won't bless you, if God really say He won't bless you, and you no one know who you be, you no one know whether na Nigerian league they play, I been a Coca-Cola league. You know, you don't like the blessing, be. You know, say your destiny, let's say you bend one kind. So God wants this particular girl now change her for you.
Your papa, now your destiny bend now. No reason now your destiny ain't bend. I don't even the reason. I don't even know why me I used to be friends. I suppose you should go change it for one rubber spoon.
I beg, you know you talk that thing again. Which one see you go use me go change me for rubber spoon? So you go look me now and a rubber spoon, that make sense to you pass me.
You know you better person now. So we see they talk.
I beg, you know they talk that thing again.
Give me my gift.
Guys, see, make I tell you now. You see me and you, we be like couples. That thing way pastor they talk for when people want marry. For better, for worse. Hey, for better, for worse. Nothing fits scatter me and you at all.
You see fool when they quote Bible.
See, my man, now the best time when you say you go, when you use your head be this. Hey now, and the best time when you use your head, maneuver this girl, chop and wear. In short, the guy they talk that thing. He say, heaven help those who help themselves. Hey, I talk no worry, no. I don't talk I finish. I go open church. I go open church.
You're very stupid boy. You can't be here, boy. Just come up for here. This one, I will give you one now. Don't say my dad. Collect this one.
Guy, why they give me? I give.
A legend now.
I go take her. I don't think why I smell like this guy. I don't think why I smell like this.
Sis, you needed to see the way I threw his gift back at his face. He thinks he can woo me with a cheap gift.
Oh, really? My problem with those people is, why can't they accept the fact that we accept luxury or nothing?
Sis, just like I said, we only do rich boys. We don't do broke boys around here.
You know, sometimes I wonder, How they think they can wine and dine with us when they are broke.
I don't know.
For God's sake, we have so much money that money don't faze us anymore. You know what I want you to do? Next time when he gets you anything cheap, I want you to shove it up his ass.
Oh my goodness.
So that he will learn the hard way.
That's my sister talking.
Oh my God.
How long have you been standing there dropping on our conversation?
Sorry, I just got here. I was cleaning the...
Morris, how are you? Okay, I didn't know you were there.
Sorry, I was cleaning the washroom.
Oh, please, just leave.
Katia, it's okay.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, it's fine, you
This
can
guy
go.
makes my skin crawl.
It's okay, stop. Okay, fine, let's go back to our conversation.
Oh my God, Maurice, we got the contract. Our investors went with your idea. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
I'm so glad to be of help.
Thank you. You know, you're just a godsend to me. I don't even know how I would have put through if not for you.
Like I said, I'm so glad to be of help. And I'm at your service anytime you have something to do with work.
In that case, let me go upstairs and change into something more comfortable. Then I'll be right back. I want you to help me with some stuff. That's if you don't mind.
Sure, I'll be glad to lend my services.
I will be right back.
Come to me, baby. Come give me all the love I need.
Just relax. I'm here for you. I'm all yours.
Maurice, very soon, you're gonna be all mine.
Wow. This guy completed the whole project. I'm Amazing. Thank you, Maurice. Thank you so much.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Look what we have here. Nelly has a man and we don't know about him. Sis, you've been keeping secrets from us.
Cassia, it's just a gift and nothing else.
Sis, this doesn't look like just any gifts. These are designer wares. Not just any designer wear, but very expensive ones. Tell me, sis, you must really like this guy for you to be spending your money on him. Who is he?
Cassia, it's no one, okay? And can you just learn to mind your damn business? By the way, why did you just barge into my room like this? What if I had someone here with me?
Plot twist. So you're thinking of bringing the person here? Tell me, sis, is it from like an influential family, a senator, or a business tycoon?
Cassia, can you kindly get the hell out of my room?
I go nowhere. I want
Cassia,
to hear
get
it all.
out.
No.
Get out! You're still here?
I want to leave on.
Hi, Maurice. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I want to thank you for helping me out with my projects. Thank you so much.
At this point, you got to stop thanking me. I'm so happy to help you at any time. It's my pleasure.
I want to invite you for a drink so that we can talk properly there. Do you mind?
No, that will be fine.
Okay, let me change into something better. I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed the drinks.
You're welcome. I had a good time too. You know, with your level of intellect, you should be working with one of these big firms in the country. Why aren't you?
Let's say, in order to roll with the big dogs, you have to be connected. That's where nepotism comes in.
I am practically handling one of my father's companies that was handed over to me before he passed on. So I understand perfectly what you're saying. Have you tried?
I have tried. I have been searching for a job over 3 years. All I got is disappointment after disappointment. So I got tired. I stopped trying.
That's their loss. I want you to submit your CV to me. First thing Monday morning, you should resume work immediately.
No. Are you serious?
Of course.
Oh my God. Like, are you really serious?
We will be honored to have you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, I've been waiting all my life for this opportunity. And I don't even know what to say right now. I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you so much.
It's okay. You're welcome. Let's get going.
Man, let's be happy.
Update me. Now what's our
Everything's about to change for good.
Hey!
Ha! See. Now I'll start achieving all that I dreamt of.
Hey! Now when you talk waiting I want here, achieving all that we dreamt. Now me and you now, why you do like this? Which one be all that we dreamt of? Let me and you now, man. Let me and you do this thing. You are bad guy. I'm happy for you.
Oh,
I swear, you deserve this win. I swear.
I swear. And waiting they even doubt me. Yeah. I don't know, say, a girl like that will go elevate me.
I don't tell you. I know sometimes they give you bad advice, good advice, but I don't think they take the good one.
Man, don't be happy.
This was sweet me. This was sweet me.
He's God. Eh?
You don't worry. And now when we say, you know, say when you reach that greener pasture we don't talk about, where you say you dream of so. The problem why I get now is I don't like I say they talk you. Now me and you now is they talk we. Now. We because now we make go bless.
See, you be my guy for life.
So
my win, now your win.
So you give me for mine.
My win is your win.
This is on top. We think you want top.
Just normal continental dishes, you know.
Okay, calm down now. You get continental for this and now you're hungry.
Calm down. I don't have nothing to give you. I don't make life. Just be patient, Jack. Hey!
Maurice, what do you mean you're quitting your job? I thought you love your job. I thought you loved working for me. What's changed? Tell me.
Look, Nelly, don't get me wrong. I love working here. It's just that I got a better job in a reputable company. Your sister, Yvonne, made it all possible.
I beg your pardon. What do you mean Yvonne made it all possible? Maurice, I brought you to this house. You are working for me, okay? Yvonne has no right whatsoever to offer you a job in the company without first telling me. So what are you saying?
I understand, Nelly. I enjoyed working here. But I have bigger dreams. I don't want to be an errand boy to the rest of my life. I have futures, I have goals. So when your sister offered me the job, I took it without blinking my eyes. Because that's the best thing to do.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm happy for you. I'm just livid that she didn't inform me about the offer first, but it's fine.
I'm sorry that you was not informed. And I want to say thank you for everything that you have done for me. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome.
I have to take my leave now. I guess we'll see you around.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, Nelly.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right, bye.
Sis, make you calm down now. What's eating you up? You've been pacing around. Sis,
just let me be. How dare you, Yvonne? How dare you offer Maurice a job without letting me know?
Hello to you too, dear sister of mine. I didn't know that I was supposed to get a permission from you before hiring a staff for the company.
Yvonne, I brought Maurice to this house. And you have no right to offer him a job without letting me know. Okay, fine, since you've done it, good. You know what you're going to do right now? You are going to terminate that contract. Yes, you're going to give him any excuses you want as to why he's not starting the job in that company.
I will do no such thing. Maurice deserves better than being an errand boy. He graduated top of his class and he's good at what he does. Why would I want to sabotage his career just to please you?
Yvonne, you are pushing me.
Whoa. The both of you please just take a chill pill. Don't tell me you're fighting over that low life.
And can you shut
up? Wow. To hell with the both of you then.
Yvonne, this is not the end of it. Yvonne.
Come in. Maurice.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome to the company once again. And we're happy to have you join us.
Thank you so much, Yvonne. And I want to promise you I won't let you down.
I hope so.
Sure.
This is for you.
What is it?
Why don't you find out yourself? Okay. That's key to your new house and a brand new car, courtesy of the company.
Did I just hear you say new house?
Of course.
Oh God. This is the house key. And
Sure.
Is this the car key?
This is what it looks like.
Oh my God,
For
no
you.
way. Thank you so very much. And I want to once more promise you that I will never disappoint you. This means so much to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So I'd like to go back to my work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Wow. Yes. No.
Nah, lie. Guy, Mo.
See how this place fine.
This house! Our house!
Okay, leave our house. Come down.
The lie.
God is great. I beg.
See,
No, I dey dream. I'm dreaming.
Yeah, you want to dream for this guy?
Pitch me.
Wait. You feel how?
Pitch me again.
Pinch me. Hey! I feel how?
It's real.
So, how person one day believe say owe me?
God is great.
I come from that party, go and stay for this guy, please.
God is wonderful. God, we thank you.
Boy.
See us.
God, see you. Is he gonna blow me? Is he gonna blow me? Yeah.
And you know what? It's not just the house. See now. That car you come.
Na lie.
Yeah, you the Jones.
Wait, that car will you carry me now? Na your car.
Take it out. You like say the place. We don't make up. Yeah, we don't make up. Who join me? Who am I? See, I just come out for the house. You won't go back for.
We don't make am. Great. I'm going from there to pick all these girls.
You know they happy that me guys so.
Guy, calm down. You don't know what they go through. It is easy to stay for that party. Hey, one room. Me, I go sleep, you go sleep. No, nah, come on. Now you know happy past me. Guy.
God is great.
We make guy balance.
This guy is funny.
No, guys, I never put my leg like that. You know they do. Come on. Wait. You jump be you make it out. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. You, I for you. Now we, now your papa. Now we in the house. Now we go celebrate. Now we go do anything we want for this house. God, I don't need to even sit down. This house too fine. This house.
You know what? Let me don't. You are very dramatic. Let me just go and get myself chill shower and then you know. Am I
waiting?
See.
Calm down.
No, waiting.
Calm down. I know if I leave you now, if you come home for this house. So allow me, make I first go through the finest room, biggest room this week. Cause you know I get babe now. Calm down, make I go. Come back now.
coming. Whoa!
Hey, sister.
Oh my God. This is a huge surprise. I mean, what are you girls doing here?
The last time I checked, three of us own this company.
I'm not disputing that fact. It's just that I'm surprised to have you girls because you hate coming to the company.
Of course, I still do. I'm here only because she dragged me to come along with her.
Oh,
You know me now. I'm all about the slay and not the work.
Don't mind her. She's saying the truth. Anyways, Yvonne, I just want to know what's going on in the company.
Well. Look who we have here. Maurice the pauper. He thinks putting on a suit to change him. Listen to me, around boy. Once a pig, always a pig.
Stop it! Cassia, I don't like that. You don't come into my office to insult my staff.
It's okay, Yvonne. It's okay. I'm sorry to just barge in unannounced. I'll take my leave now.
It's fine.
Nelly, it's nice to see you again.
Hello.
Staff my fault.
Maurice, I want to apologize to you for the way my sister spoke to you. I don't know why she spoke to you that way.
There's nothing to apologize for. At least I'm used to your sister being mean to me always. It's not something new.
I also want to apologize to you for how rude I have been towards you. You don't deserve any of that from me. I have fallen in love with you. I understand if you don't feel the same way. It's okay. But the truth is that I love you.
Look, Yvonne, I do like you too. I want to say thank you for everything you've done for me. But I just don't know
It's
how
okay. It's okay if you don't feel the same. I understand perfectly. It's fine. Let's get going. Your seatbelt.
Guy. Wait, what do you come do about this thing now?
I don't know. I'm totally lost. You know, I love Yvonne. I like this girl so much and I respect our working relationship. The girl has helped me so much and I can't deputize that for anything. I can't.
First, Nelly. Now, Yvonne. Me, I no shall understand what's in the happen for that place. So. You sure say you go fit take the hit you go come? You sure? Because before you know now, the third person will just come now, they fall in love with you. Before we know, she don't propose to you. Before we know, she don't even marry you herself. We don't even know.
Guy, this don't be joke matter now. I dey serious.
Me, I know the okay. Me, I be like person with the joke now. Guy, I serious pass you because look at now. No, take a look at all these things we talk about now. See, a very tiny line, very small, tiny line in between love and hate. No, you go be like, see, the person don't like you. You go be like, say, nothing concern you and the person. 2 seconds, you don't fall in love with you. They knock you, show free love. You guys, be careful.
You said it that time, all these gifts to the guy.
I tell you now, be careful. Yes, see, me, I know like make it just bar for your head, do at all.
No. And the girl never reasoned me like that now since when I deal with him.
Now why I say make you be careful? Make you no come bar for your head. I no go like go back trenches, so I no want go back that one room where we don't come up from my bed.
Forget that thing now.
I beg.
We are up, we are going up, we're not going down.
I like as you talk.
We're just elevating now.
I like as you talk. I like them.
come in. Nelly.
Hi, Morris. How are you?
What a surprise. What are you doing here?
Won't you ask me to sit?
Oh, sorry. Excuse my manners. You can have a seat.
Thank you. You know, this place used to be my dad's favorite place. He told us he used to come here whenever he wants to relax. But it's been ages. I've not been here.
I promise to take good care of this place, since it holds some essential values to your family.
Yes, it does. Thank you. You know, Morris, this is one of the qualities I love about you. The ability for you to make everything and everyone feel special around you. I think that's one thing that drew me to you. Morris, I miss you. I miss you so much. I miss your cooking. I miss you being around me. Sometimes I just wish I wake up in the morning and realize you never left.
Nelly, can you just stop?
Morris.
Nelly.
Morris, I love you. Morris, can't you feel my heartbeat for you? Morris, I've loved you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. That's one reason why I gave you a job in my house. Because I wanted you closer to me.
Nelly. I don't know what to say. I cannot deny the fact that you've helped me so much. And I do appreciate you so very much. And I can also not deny the fact that you've paved the way for me to become the person I am today. Nelly, listen. I respect and value you so much. I admire you so much, so very much. But I don't have feelings for you. Listen, Nelly. I see you as a friend and nothing more.
Morris. No, it's because you've never thought about it. You know what I want you to do? I want you to sleep over it. When you wake up in the morning, you will realize how much you love me.
Nelly, just...
It's fine. It's fine. I'll take my leave for now. To have a nice day.
Inside so strong, pushing me closer to you. Something I can't explain. I'm trying so hard to resist, but I'm falling for you head over heels. Something I can't explain. Could it be love? Just my imagination. Could it be love, or just my fantasy? Where do I go? This thought is driving me crazy. Yeah. Who do I call? I need a moment of relief. Hey, how can I leave my life all the way without you? How can I share the things I feel inside? We could be more than friends if you really want us to be. Yeah, 'cause I need you by my side.
I'm big, man. God. Let's say, man, you get much to this. Yeah, you need to watch match. This one with your face like this. I hope so you do alright.
How will I be alright, bro? No, these girls, my head is on fire. But you know what, eh? I think I'm in love with Yvonne.
Wait, with Yvonne?
See, I don't know how it happens. But for the past few weeks working with her, I came to realize that she's such an amazing soul. Oh, this girl is so lovely. She's so compassionate with what she does. I just like her.
So, waiting will come happen to Nelly. Don't forget, see that one herself, she love you.
I just don't know, man. I just don't know. You know, I have told Nelly already that I don't have feelings for her. I have. I'm just... At this point, I just don't know what to do. But my heart beats for Yvonne. And I think we can make a perfect couple, right?
Seriously?
Like, come on now, cheese me up now.
I just hope see Nelly go allow two of them make una the love of her friends. Two sisters, two. In love with you.
And I don't want to be in the middle of these two people. They have such a great bond.
May God shall be by your side. Now what are they pray for? Because me, I no go like this your shoe at all. I no want you at all. I just like make I love one woman love me back. What's it law? I did okay.
So you know go like them my shoes, but go like them my ass.
Okay, wait till bring this house come now. Wait till bring this house enter this matter. Now we talk about serious thing about your relationship, your life. You talk about you won't swallow the house.
Oh, this guy. No get sense at all, I swear.
Yeah, I beg. Now ball like come here can watch you. I'm not there for all this your mix up.
I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, baby. I love you. Getting closer and closer. Oh, always and forever with you. Don't wanna be with another. No. Always and forever with you. No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, baby. I love you.
Oh, wow! Who do we have here? The hypocrite herself.
Nelly, what has come into you and why are you calling me names?
Yvonne, I want you to stay away from Morris. Your boyfriend snatcher. He's mine and mine alone. And let me tell you this. I don't want to see you around him this close. Do I make myself clear? Stay the hell away!
Nelly, I think you've had too many bottles because you're speaking jargons.
God, really?
Yes! Morris has never ever been yours and he will never be yours.
Yvonne.
Let me tell you something. Morris loves me.
Oh, really?
And guess what? I love him right back.
Yvonne, stay away from Morris. He's mine and I am not joking.
And if I don't, what will you do?
Oh, really?
Wait a minute. I can't believe you both are here fighting over that errand boy.
This is a shame. A big shame on the both of you. This is a letdown, girls.
Yvonne, stay away. Stay away. Trust me, I won't warn you again. Maurice, I got you some gifts.
Nelly, look. You have to stop showing up in my house unannounced. And you have to stop buying me gifts.
Maurice, for God's sake, how else do you want me to show you that I care for you? If not to spoil you with gifts. Maurice,
Oh, God.
just allow me to love you and take care of you. I'll do anything you want.
Nelly, can you just try and understand? All right, let me be fact with you. Let me be honest with you. I'm in love with your sister. She meant everything to me. I don't have feelings for you.
What do you mean you don't have feelings for me? Maurice, I forbid you to be with my sister. You are mine and mine alone.
Nelly!
Maurice, what do you mean? I found you first. I saw you first. How can you be in love with my sister? Why do you want to toss me aside because of my sister? Why?
I understand you found me first. I understand you love me, but I don't have feelings for you, Nelly. My heart beats for your sister, and I'm so sorry. Listen, Nelly. Can you just understand what I'm trying to say? I see you like a friend. Nelly.
I can't believe my sister and I were fighting because of you. I mean, we used to be so close. She has been the one protecting us. Just the other day, she raised her hands at me.
It was all a shock to me too. Babe, I want to say I'm so sorry for everything that's happened. It has never been my intention to cause a grief between you and your sister. I think I should speak to her again.
No, it's not your fault. How we handle it moving forward is all that matters. She is my sister. We will settle our differences.
Are you sure? You know I love you so much, right?
I love you too. We will weather the storm together.
I keep asking myself this question. How am I so lucky to have a brilliant, amazing, and beautiful woman like you to fall in love with me?
You know what? I fell in love with your beautiful heart.
And you know what? I fall in love with every single thing about you. The way you talk, your smile, your heart, your body, just everything. I'm just happy that you're here.
Me too.
No matter the obstacles, if the love is true, love conquers all. No matter the obstacles, if the love is true, love will conquer all.
I can't let Yvonne win. She can't eat her cake and have it. Maurice is mine. I want him and I will have him. I am going to do everything within my powers to see that he becomes mine and mine alone.
The path of love, trials will come, temptations will come on the path of love. There will be opposing forces.
Wow, wow, wow. Who do we have here? The boyfriend snatcher. Seated eating breakfast comfortably, like she didn't do anything wrong. Yvonne, do you know what's strange about you? You always pretend to be a good person, but deep down your heart, you have the heart of a monster.
Nelly, why are you calling me a monster? Simply because I fell in love.
With your sister's boyfriend. You forgot to add that.
At some point, you need to get yourself out of delusion. Maurice has never ever been yours, and he will never be yours.
No, Yvonne. He was about to be mine if you have not gone to seduce him with your body. Yes, we could have been together this minute. But, Yvonne, let me ask you something. Don't you get it? No, tell me. I found this guy. I brought him to this house. So tell me, why do you think I did all that if I didn't want him to myself? Tell me.
He loves me. Why don't you accept it and move on?
Never. I will never accept such, Yvonne. Never. You know what? Maurice is going to be mine. One way or the other. The battle line has been drawn. Excuse me.
You said you needed to see me urgently. What is it, Nelly?
Maurice, why are you acting so cold towards me? We used to be good friends, remember? At least give me the courtesy of that.
Look, Nelly, I don't want any issue with your sister. I know everybody's tied up right now. Can you please give me space for now? Oh, shit. Shit. Yvonne! Come on, it's not what you think. Yvonne! Hey, just pick the call. Just pick up. I've got to talk to me. Oh, God. I really need to make her understand. There's no... Oh, God.
Guy, how far now? What's the update? She won't pick.
She's not picking up.
Oh, wow.
I need her to pick up. I want her to understand that that kiss meant nothing. Her sister forced herself for me. Guy, I'm just confused. I'm just like...
Guy, Maurice, I would suggest you just calm down small.
Okay.
Just relax now. You need to put pressure for yourself. You know, say she the para. At this moment now, I know some people, when they're angry, they don't want to talk to anybody. Maybe now why she need to pick a call. So just give them small time. Sure, just leave her, make she just rest today. Tomorrow, when you reach office, go take your time, explain to her. Let her know that the mistake wasn't from you and the rest of it all. You show me that she go understand. Can you just say so? I know it makes sense before.
For this your head, I don't think this is something that is going to come out.
I didn't come out for you, guy. See, I just want to let you know the honest truth. I don't see maybe what she we don't see, we don't make a para. You understand? Just tomorrow when you reach there, take your time. You should no even para, no even do like saying, oh, make noise. Take your time. Explain to her. She love you, Abi. She will understand.
Mom, this girl, I love this girl so much. I don't want to lose her. She needs to understand. Her sister did force herself for me. I don't think her love buy me gift. She did force herself. She didn't kiss me in front of her sister now. She just put my way, bro.
See, like I just talk now. Leave her. Just calm down. Leave her. Make it like this night. Tomorrow when you enter office, just take your time. No call her again. I know why I say no call her again. Just relax your mind. If she love you, she go understand. Just tomorrow when you reach office, you just take your time, sweet boy when you be enter, analyze everything.
I have never ever loved any guy the way I love him.
Sis, this guy just wants to come between you and your sister. Do not give him the pleasure of that. He's not worth it. Maurice is and will always remain a low life.
I love him.
Oh, goodness, sis. Forget about him. Trust me, you're going to meet someone better. Come on, sis. Do you know I hate to see you cry? It's okay.
Yvonne, seriously, we need to talk. You have not been answering my calls. Come on, just talk to me.
Mr. Morris, if your reason for barging into my office is not work-related, I would suggest you leave right now. As you can see, I'm quite busy.
And I know you don't mean that. Look, what you saw out there, your sister forced herself on me. Your sister kissed me. She's doing that to mock you. There is nothing between us. Can't you just understand?
Mr. Morris, if your time is not valuable to you, mine is. So I would suggest you leave my office right now.
Can you just
I said get out of my office!
Just listen to...
Leave my office now, else I'll call the security on you.
Fine. It has been a week. She hasn't been in the office. Yes. Neither she has not responded to none of my calls. That is what I don't know. At this point, what I'm sure of is that I miss her so much. And I just want to talk to her. Oh.
You know what? Why don't you just show her that you miss her rather than just calling her on the phone and saying it?
What do you mean?
I mean, you know, like they say, if Moses doesn't want to go to the mountain, then the mountain will go to Moses.
This boy, these days you don't get sense.
Okay, no, let me fuck up.
So what are you
Fuck up,
trying to say with Moses?
Bro, I feel you should just...
Hold on, come in. Whoa.
I'm here to see Yvonne. Is she in?
Look who we have here. It's the man of the hour. You must be so proud putting sisters up against each other.
Cassia, I'm not here for you, and I'm not here to fight. Please, can I just check up on your sister? It's been over a week I've not seen her in the office, and it's been over a week she has not responded to my calls. Can I please just see her?
Have you thought that she might not want to have anything to do with you? What do you even have that is making my sisters lose their mind over you? Or is it this thing dangling between your legs?
Are you crazy?
I'm just trying to find out for myself.
Oh, I see. Anyway, Cassia, I'm not here for any of your tricks. So can I please see her? Excuse me.
No.
All right.
Animal. Rubbish. How long are you going to keep ignoring each other?
For as long as it takes.
Says the sister that snatched my boyfriend. Yvonne, you should have a little shame.
I could say the same about you, Nelly. You should have some shame. Why are you always whining like a little child that was deprived of breast milk?
Yvonne, how dare you speak to me in such manner? Cassia, did you hear that? Yvonne, let me tell you this. As of today, you are dead to me. You cease to be my sister, and I don't want anything to do with you.
Nelly!
Excuse me.
I don't care! Do you understand? I don't care! What nonsense?
What is wrong with you?
I don't care! You can go to hell! I don't care!
Can the both of you just stop? What's the meaning of all this?
Going to work. Where's my bag?
All because of a man. Adam.
I guess you love it. Look, I don't want us to keep fighting. Because I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Come on. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Can I pick you up later for lunch?
Sure.
By the way, you look good.
Thank you.
See you later.
No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, baby. I love you. Getting closer and closer. Always and forever.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Nelly, stop it! She's your sister, just get all of yourself.
This traitor here is not a sister of mine. She stabbed me at the back.
I haven't done anything to you.
Oh, really? So you think snatching my man away from me is nothing? So that's what you think? Really?
No one snatched your man. I've never been your man and I will never be. What is all this?
Oh, really? So you think you can now talk back at me? After everything I did for you, I picked you up from the gutter, brushed you up, and you think you can talk back at me? No problem, that's fine. But let me tell you something. You will always be a broke boy. That's who you are, a broke boy. And as for this one, she will dump your ass very soon. Excuse me.
Let's go.
You know, it's so crazy how 1 minute people will be so good and sweet to you, and the next minute they become something else.
Wait, I don't understand. Did anything happen to you that's making you say this?
Nelly. She has become something else.
Nelly.
Nelly has become so vile towards her sister. And that is giving me concern. She might do something drastic if she's not stopped. Yes, I know she's hot, but she has no right to behave like that to her sister.
Guy, I beg, sit this one out. Which one is she has no right? Is it even your business? Come on now. They are sisters. Blood sisters. And I'm sure with or without you, they can sort themselves out the way they seem fit. So come on, let it be. It's not your business. Okay?
I'm just in the middle of two sisters. That's my worry. Well, yeah. I guess they'll sort themselves out.
Simple. Simple as ABC.
Anyway, let me just go inside and have some good shower. I have been so exhausted. So, Alpha, what do you cook?
I don't understand. You just go to work, come back. Alpha, what did you cook as per? Say because you gave me house now, I'm not your houseboy.
You know the problem I have with you? Your mouth.
I beg you. See, it's as simple as saying it with courtship. You understand? Let it come with respect. Boss, my Oga Chief, Alpha now, what did you understand? Let me know that you're referring to me. The boss.
All right, let me rephrase.
Add boss, that's the most important
Boss.
thing.
My Oga, sir. What did you cook, sir?
Now you come. My boy. let me make it make sense. My boy, I made a egusi soup. We test this my egusi soup this time. Hey! Don't worry, let me not spoil it. Let me allow you to go and test. So if you go to the kitchen, take your own portion. But let me tell you something. There are only 3 pieces of meat in that pot. Take 1, 2. 2 is for the Oga, for me. Okay?
So as you talk and now say, don't die. If something happened to you.
At least I'm enjoying my, fanaticism.
Oh my God.
Let
me just go. I don't mind you.
You know who I am.
You're crazy.
Do you know I'm the baddest
this
chef
guy,
now?
yeah, your mouth. Let me
This
just.
channel is boring, I beg.
Sis, please, you don't have to leave.
Oh, please, let her go. Let her leave if she wants to. Besides, this house was getting so uncomfortable with her in it.
I pity you. I really do. You being toxic towards me because of a man is something I never expected. You insulted me all night. All because of a man. I think it's best I leave this space for you.
And I said, Yvonne, you will know no peace in your life. And you'll be miserable for the rest of your life for trying to take what belongs to me.
And what belongs to you? If I may ask, what is that belongs to you? A man that never loved you?
Oh, really?
Yes, he is my man. And the earlier you realize that, the better for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I made him. Yes, I made him. So he owned me everything. I mean, every single damn thing, I own it.
Please, can the both of you just stop? What is all this? You see, that's the difference between both of us. Being with Maurice has made me a better person. He has made me to realize how wicked you have been. I mean, we go about belittling people, taking people for granted, but I thank God for meeting Maurice because he has made me a better person and I hope you change your ways. I'm out of here.
Sis, please, you don't have to leave. Please, can you just come back? Sis, where are you going? Are you seriously going to let your sister leave all because of a man?
She made her bed, so she'll lay on it.
Are you serious right now? Nelly!
Oh, enough! Enough.
Gosh.
Come in. Come on, no, my baby. Babe! Come. Oh, God. Come in. Come on. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh. How you doing?
I'm okay. I'm so sorry to have barged in on you without letting you know. It's just that I couldn't be in the same space with Nelly anymore. She's now becoming a different person. And that scares me.
I understand. You're always welcome in my house. In fact, I'm so happy that you're here. And I want to say I'm so sorry for causing the drift between you and your sister. I'm really sorry.
Come on, babe. It's not your fault. I love you. That's all that matters.
I love you more.
Ken.
Eh?
I hope you don't mind me being in your space.
Why should I mind? For what reason now? The house is equally yours, so you're welcome. You can stay. In fact, you can even stay as much as you want to stay. Trust me, Maurice and I don't have any problem.
That's true. See the way I'm sweating. I'm so happy that I see you. Come on. Come on. How are you doing? You okay?
Oh, I hate her. I hate them. How could she do this to me? She can't win. I won't let her win. If I can't have Maurice, then no one can have him.
I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all, I love you, babe.
Like it, right?
Babe, this food is so nice. You know, you could open up your own restaurant.
Yeah. I've always had that back of my mind. You know, if things don't work out, I'll just go back to my cooking. And my mom used to run a booker. Yeah. She used to have one, and she was the one that taught me all this cooking skill.
God bless her heart for teaching you. You know, I get to enjoy every part of you. I'm such a lucky girl, you know.
You are. You're here with a full package. You know. Like
See this
full
one.
package.
What are you feeling like? Oh, your head is now big. Please, don't allow pride to finish you.
Babe, just try the spicy on the chicken.
But seriously, this food is delicious. It's okay. It's very nice, trust me.
Nelly, what is it? What is it?
I think I killed her. I think I killed her.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Killed who?
Oh my God.
What is it?
I think I killed her. I think I killed her.
Killed who? What are you talking about?
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, I think I killed her. I think I killed her.
What?
God.
You did what?
You have to believe me. It was intentional. It was supposed to be for Maurice. Okay, it wasn't supposed to be her. She should have been there in the first place. You know what she did? She pushed Maurice aside and my car hit her. I do not think she's dead. I think she's dead.
Wait a minute. You mean you tried to kill Yvonne because of a man?
No. God, I think I killed her. God, I've killed Yvonne. I killed
Nelly,
Yvonne.
just pray nothing happens to her because else you have me to contend with.
Just pray. What have I done? Oh God.
She tried to kill me. Can you believe Nelly tried to kill me? If it was not for Yvonne that pushed me off the road, she should have killed me. Like, how do you get to all this?
Guy, just relax. Okay, calm down. Trust me, I know how you're feeling. But we all need to be calm to be able to reason this matter. Okay? First of all, what are the doctors saying? How is Yvonne?
Yvonne is good. but she has some minor injuries and a broken arm. She's there this night. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. She's at the hospital.
It's okay. At least you said she's fine. That means she's going to be fine.
Bro, can you imagine? She tried to kill me.
Relax. You can't sort this matter if you're aggravated. Okay?
I just can't believe that Nelly of all people tried to kill me.
See, I understand. I know. But it's fine. At least you just said she's fine. So we just give it time. Okay? Everything will be fine. Okay?
She's okay. She just sustained a minor injury. What has come over you, Nelly? That's your blood sister we're talking about.
Yeah. I am sorry. I am sorry. Honestly, I didn't mean to do it.
You're
sorry.
not supposed to be apologizing to me. Yvonne needs to hear this from you. Come on, sis. You need to make things right. This whole thing is tearing our family apart, and I don't like it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I can't continue being bitter towards my sister. We've been through so much together. And a man shouldn't break a bond. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm a changed person now. I am changed. Trust me.
I just hope you've changed.
Yes.
I don't understand why you'll be fighting with your sister over a man. Two sisters. To the extent that you almost killed your own blood. Come on now, Nelly.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You just need to apologize to Yvonne.
I will. I'm gonna thank you. I want to apologize to you both. I let jealousy get the best part of me. Yvonne, you are my sister, and I love you so much. Please find a place in your hearts to forgive me.
You hurt me, Nelly. You hurt me real bad. I've always looked up to you. You hated me to the point that you wanted to take my life.
No. It was just so difficult for me. The man that I love so much chose you over me. So I wanted to hurt him in as much as he hurt me. Then I realized how stupid I am. I am sorry, Yvonne. I'm truly sorry.
Nelly, it was never my intention to hurt you. I never led you on. We are friends and nothing more. Yvonne here is the woman my heart chose. And I want to say I'm so sorry if being with her hurt you. It was not intentional, Nelly.
It's fine, Maurice. I have decided to let you be with her. I will go out there and get someone to love. Besides, I can see how happy Yvonne is being with you. You deserve all the happiness in the world. And I wish you the best. I'm sorry.
I forgive you, sis. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. I also want to say to you that I have missed you. I have missed us. I love you.
I miss you too. I miss you.
Well,
thank you.
Since everyone is pouring their hearts out, I also have something I need to get off my chest. Maurice, I want to apologize for all the mean things I said to you in the time past. You didn't deserve it. I am sorry. And I have also decided to get help by going to see a therapist. I know it won't happen so fast, but slowly and surely we will get there.
Apology accepted. And I wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you, sis. I hope you get better in no time. I love you, sis.
I love you more. You're going to make me cry.
Don't worry, we're all here for you.
A group hug?